my beloved students, before wrapping up arithmetic progression, 3 more problems to be discussed. This problem 66 is figuring in your study material. This problem appeared in the examination of June 2019 examination. This problem appeared, 66th problem. Unfortunately, this problem is a slightly difficult problem. Though I developed some techniques method, in spite of that, it is a slightly difficult. Therefore, if you are able to understand, you check. Otherwise, if you do not know, you need not trouble yourself, because they won't ask again. Same problem usually will not be asked. That is the reason. Varieties of models we have in AP. Therefore, this model problem feel difficult, omit it. What best I can do, I will explain. But that idea and all this is a 10-mark question. This is a 10-mark question. When I was doing pre-university, it was a 10-mark question. It is not so easy. Adjustment technique. The adjustment usually for your level is slightly difficult. Some maturity of age and all this you can think. So we are converting, we are making equal. Why we are making equal, logic, everything you can understand. Here I will tell, able to understand, good. Not able to understand, very, very good. So if you feel difficult, strike out. Because if I miss the problem later on at my back, why at my back? At my front itself you will face, at my face itself you people will face, because your generation, your culture, your behavior, your attitude, everything is not appreciable. New generation attitude, old generation, they are not accepting. I am more or less your grandfather age group. So 2 generation gap. You are firstly, you are the young present generation, you earlier generation, your father, grandfather is earlier again, earlier to earlier. Therefore, the generation gap we have. That is the reason you people, if I do not teach, I myself will say it is difficult for you to understand. Therefore, we need not discuss. Let us pass on to the next problem. I can say, if I say what you will do, LSS do not know this problem. That is the reason we are skipping, escaping and all. At my back or in my front, if you say it is an insult, insult to my age, insult to my profession, insult to my knowledge. Therefore, I will exhibit, I know. Most of the problem I will exhibit, I will try my best to explain, so that your understanding will be better, better. But this problem I can understand, but understanding from your side is slightly difficult. This problem 2 AP you have to take. Sum of n term, first AP n, second AP also n. Sum of n terms of a 2 AP are in the ratio n plus 1 by n minus 1, n plus 1 is to n minus 1. Find mth term of a 2 AP. So, outwardly question is very simple, but getting the answer is slightly difficult. Now, you write. Problem 66 you put right. Assume A is the first term, A is the first term, D be the common difference, D be the common difference of first AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. Tn is equal to this first paragraph you write. Assume A is the first term, D is the common difference. Sn assume capital A be the first term, and D, capital D, be the common difference of the second AP. First paragraph, first AP. Second paragraph, second AP. AP, A, D, small d, first AP. Capital A, capital B, second AP. After writing to, listen, afterwards you take, because this is an assumption, therefore you can write, you are assuming small a, small d, capital A, capital D, you are writing Sn, you are writing Tn, there are also some nth m, you write Tm. Find the ratio of mth term of a 2AP. M, I thought n, m. Find the ratio of the mth term, Tm. First, the sum of n given, sum of n terms given. After writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 relations we have, thereafter how to connect, how to adjust is important. Step by step I will explain. Difficult problems, more time I have to explain. Now you, after writing this m, you put Tm formula A plus m minus 1d. Listen. Given sum of first AP, sum of second AP, first AP Sn, second AP Sn, is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. Now you write first AP Sn, second AP Sn, ratio means division form, Sn is equal to, but that is given as n plus 1 by n minus 1. This answer, this ratio, the ratio is n plus 1 by n minus 1 given the problem. So, n plus 1, n minus 1, call it as equation 5. first AP Sn by second AP Sn, n by 2, n by 2 same, cancel. Other time you cannot cancel. First four paragraph, you assumed A, first term, D, common difference, capital A, capital D, small a, small d. N same, M same. Both the AP N same. Some of the N terms of the first AP, some of the N terms of the second AP N same. Question, find the nth term of first AP and second AP M common. We have written, we marked 1, 2, 3, 4. What is given? I have written n plus 1, n minus 1, call it as a 5. What exactly the question? They are asking, what is the answer of this? Is this answer they are asking? What is the answer of this? Look, what is the technique behind it? Here 2a, here 2a, here you have a, here n minus 1, here m minus 1. So, what we can do is, here also I want 2, here also I want 2. So, multiply by 2. To get 2a in the numerator, 2a in the denominator. Up to this you write, then only the headache starts. You call it as a 6. Why, sir, you are multiplying by 2 mean we have one relation 2a, m minus 1d, one relationship we have. This relation I am going to use 2a I want. Here you have a, you can make it 2, multiply by 2. First term 2a, here n minus 1d, small d, here 2m minus 2d, this portion, comparison. Up to this you mark. I am going to convert, my job is I am going to convert this into this. I am going to convert suitable value I will give for m. One value I will give. After putting m value, I will be getting the same step I will be getting. This is a method of doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you put. Here we are not calculating. Here 2a we want multiply by 2. To get 2a in the numerator and 2a in the denominator I want 2a I multiply. Now only the calculation. If you have a different color pen, put a box, name it as P. Put a box, name it as Q. You put a box, call it as a capital P. Another box you put call it as a capital Q. This box you are calling n minus 1 alone you are calling as P. D is outside. N minus 1 you are calling P. 2m minus 2 box. D is outside. Call it as a cube. Equate P and Q and calculate 1 time of n. Equate P and Q, calculate 1 time of n. N minus 1. Whether all this can you do between 1 minute at a time is highly impossible. This problem needs steps everything 3 minutes it requires. This is the only thing given in the problem, the answer. Answer for this is given. I am adjusting, I am converting this problem into this I am converting. What value I have to substitute? N is equal to m minus 1 if I substitute, n is equal to 2m minus 1 if I substitute, I am getting the question. If I substitute n is equal to 2m minus 1, I am getting this. Here also I have to substitute, here the question answer, question answer. I am converting this question, this in terms of, I am converting this by substituting. This is answer known, answer is known. I am substituting n is equal to 2m minus 1. I am going to convert Tm, conversion of Tm, Sn to Tm conversion. This is nothing but Tn by Tm. This is nothing but first AP Tm by second AP Tm. Answer is m into m by m minus 1. This term answer. Answer is this. You are substituting. This is a term. EC method, I am scratching my head. EC method, any alternate method, adjustment method, any method at all. Those methods are not in a nearing sight. Still I am taking numerical example possible. Numerical value can be given, that way we can get the answer and all this. I am searching, still I am not getting any idea. Scan the same problem figuring in your scanner. Scanner slightly they differ. Approach the same, upper difference. Finally they have adjusted, they got the same answer. I got same answer. My steps clearly I am writing equation 1 because each step is lengthy. Therefore I am numbering, so I can easily take 7. See, I can write easily take 5. If I do not number it, I have to write the entire thing. You take entire thing once again and write. If I number it is easy. Take 5. Take 5. Put n is equal to 2m minus 1. So, the n minus 1 bracket changed to 2m minus 2 bracket. This is the given in the problem, this. Here I want 2m minus 2. What value for n I have to give? I want to get 2m minus 2. I said that is the reason I equated. Equate p n cube. Calculate 1 time of n. So, if I substitute n is equal to 2m minus 1, I am getting this side also is substitute, because you know the answer n value substitution I am getting. This is just like all 66 problem we did, 65 problem we did. 65 problems are not like this. We see very easy problem we come across, easy problem we come across, at least moderate adjustment problem. This is the toughest problem. Even 26 examination of CPT, even prior to it also I taught PE1, professional examination level 1, writing examination. This type of problem they have not asked. This type of problem not at all asked out of my 40 years experience in. So, for foundation examination they have asked. The paper setter doesn't realize whether a student can do this problem with 72 seconds, average time 72 seconds. This problem and reading, understanding, writing, simplifying, 1 minute is it possible? We cannot mug up the answer. One problem I said, doing problem difficult. Option testing method is also here, option testing is not possible. Option testing method is not possible. I said difficult, doing difficult, option testing is also difficult, remembering the answer easy I said. You remember. Lot of things you are remembering. Remember the answer. Answer is 0. Easy, remember. AP problem. If the problem comes as it is, answer 0. GP, same problem. GP, minus or off. Minus off you have to put. At least you can remember. I cannot say. Remember the answer being very difficult. How can you remember? I cannot expect always they will stick on n minus 1. P by p minus 1 they will give mth term they have given. They may give qth term. That is very difficult. Anyhow, already appeared in the examination, and that to your examination of November 2019 not included, November 2000 May. This problem appeared in May 2019. That examination, this question appeared. Same question will not be asked to take the risk of omitting. So you should know, LSS knows how to do the problem, but he recommended very difficult, therefore I am not going to concentrate. Definitely a problem appeared in the examination will not be repeated. Same model will be repeated, but not same problem. Identical problem will not be repeated. That is to see it. November 2019 examination. 2 problem asked AP. 2 problem AP, 2 problem GP, extra 1 problem they may ask 5 problem, but this time AP only 2 problem appeared. Problem 66 so done 67. In an AP, the sum of 5 terms is 75. Find the third term. Totally 5 terms. They are asking third term. Sum of the 5 terms given. One information given. Sum of the 5 terms is so and so given. They are asking T3. What is A plus 2D value? Not A value, D value. A plus 2D together value. A plus 2D. What's the value? T2 value they are asking. T3 value. Now you write S5 is equal to 75. T3 question mark. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d Sn formula. S5 you calculate. you take 2 common. T2, what is T2? A plus, what is T? A plus 2D, one step you are getting, you put to T3. A plus 2D is called T3. What is T3? A plus, how many problems we did earlier? T10, A plus 9D. T23, A plus 22D. T8, A plus 7D. A plus 2D means T3. Side you write T3 is equal to A plus 2D. A plus 2D is nothing but T3. Side you write T3 is equal to A plus 2D. 5 goes down 15. T3 is equal to 15. Other way of analyzing this routine method, sir, 5 terms involved. Sum of 5 terms, 5 is an odd number. Middle term, 5 numbers are there. Middle term is a third term is a middle term. 5 terms are there, 5 fingers, middle finger, third finger is a middle finger. So third term asked. So middle term asked, sir. Middle term is asked. Sum of odd term given. Therefore, middle term is asked. N is an odd number. So 75 is equal to n into middle term formula. Sum is equal to n is equal to 5 odd number. Middle term asked. So middle term is equal to 15. How to calculate middle term? Odd numbers given, add 1 by 2. 5 term, add 1, 6 by 2, third term. 7 terms are given, what is the middle term? Add 1 by 2, fourth term. This I will teach in statistics, median, middle item, how to calculate. Odd number means what is the formula? Even number means what is the formula? Even number, arithmetic progression, no even terms, odd term. 11 terms, which is the middle term? Add 1, 12 by 2, sixth. You should not say 6, rank, sixth, rank calculation. How to calculate the rank of the middle term? Odd number cases, add 1 by 2. 31 terms, middle term, how to calculate? 31 odd number, add 1, 32 by 2, 16th. 16th term is a middle term. These ideas are slightly difficult, therefore that method I taught for you. A plus 2D, A plus 2D is nothing but third term, T3. Another problem, this problem appeared in the examination of latest November 2018. After the examination, you are going to face, in between May examination cancelled, you are going to face November. 68th problem. If b plus c minus a by a, c plus a minus b by b, comma, are in AP given. They are in AP. If so, what is a comma b comma c? A comma b comma c, or options are given AP, otherwise arithmetic mean, AP arithmetic progression, HP harmonic progression, geometric progression, none. Immediately we cannot do the problem, we have some concepts. That is the properties of AP. Don't take this as an example to understand. Six, 10, 14. They are in AP. They are in AP. 10 minus 6, 4. 14 minus 10, 4. Sir, AP, sir. Correct. They are in AP. Listen. I am going to add 5. Why I am adding, don't ask. I am going to add 5 with each number, each term. I am going to add fixed quantity, I am adding 11, 15, 19. Result is also AP. Not to same AP. Another AP you are getting. Result is AP. Check. I added 5, fixed quantity is added, result is AP. Fixed quantity I subtract, I am subtracting 4. After subtracting 4, result is AP. You should not say 6, 10, 14, I am not getting. This is another AP, you check, these are AP. These 3 numbers are in AP. I am multiplying by 2, 12, 20, 28, AP. I am dividing by 2, 3, 5, 7, AP. So, if 3 numbers are in AP, each number, if we add fixed quantity, fixed quantity is subtracted, fixed quantity is added, fixed quantity is subtracted, multiplied by a fixed quantity, divided by a fixed quantity, the result is also AP. The results are AP. Addition cases, subtraction cases, multiplication cases, division cases. All the 4 fundamental operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, fixed quantity. Result is AP. This concept I am going to use. Now you are right. Before discussing the problem, before discussing this problem, before discussing this problem, before discussing this problem, remember the following. Remember the following. If 3 numbers are in AP, if 3 numbers are in AP, if 3 numbers are in AP, and if each number is increased by a fixed quantity, each number is increased by a fixed quantity, or each quantity is decreased by a fixed quantity, the resulting numbers are also in AP, or also in AP. Example, eight, 11, 14 are in AP. Each term is increased by 5. We get which are in AP. (13, 16, 19) they are in AP. You know how to check 3 quantities are AP or not. This minus this, 16 minus 13, 19 minus 16, same answer. 16 minus 13, 3, 19 minus 16, 3, therefore AP. I am not getting same AP, different AP you are getting. Next, each term is decreased by you are detecting 3, 5, 8, 11, they are in AP. Fixed quantity you are adding, your result is AP. You should not mistake same AP. AP, 3 numbers are in AP, that's all. I am not telling same AP, 6, 11, I am not saying. Result is AP. Decreased case also same AP. Serial number 2. If 3 quantities are in AP, if 3 numbers are in AP, if 3 numbers are in AP, if we multiply each term by a fixed quantity, if each term is multiplied by a fixed quantity, the result is also AP. Illustration 10, 16, 20. Illustration 10, 16, 20. They are in AP. Divide each term by multiply each term by 3. Ten, 16, 22. 10, 16, 22, which are in AP. Multiply each number by 3. Thirty, 48, 66. Same manner division also you can say. If we divide by 2, common quantity 2. If we divide by 2, so with the help of the illustration you have to understand, PV numbers are in AP. If you increase, if you decrease by fixed quantity, if you multiply, if you divide, resulting quantities are also AP. This is the essence of the argument. Now we have to apply. Given that B plus C minus A by A, C plus A minus B by B, are in AP. Three numbers are in AP. Listen, technique. I am going to add 2. If I add 2 plus 2, if I put LCM, you have to take. If I put plus 2 LCM A, so the 2A you will be getting minus A plus 2A, you will be getting A plus B plus C. If I add 2 LCM you take, you will be getting B plus C plus A. If I add 2B, LCM 2B minus B, so B, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, same quantity you are getting. Add 2 with each quantity. Which are in AP, after adding also AP, which are in AP. I am adding 2. You simplify. LCM we have to take LCM C, LCM. One A, 2A, B plus C after adding the result is AP. After adding I am simplifying, that is a AB. I am showing addition, I am simplifying, Simplified result is AP. I am going to divide. You can write multiply each term by 1 by A plus B plus C. Multiplication. If you multiply B plus C they are getting cancelled. 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. You are multiplying by 1 by A plus B plus C, multiplication by 1 by. If you multiply each term, result is AP. Simplified result will result in AP. The results are in AP, multiplication. So, you got the answer 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. But the question is A, B, C are in what? You got 1 over A, 1 over B, 1 over C. Remember, if three numbers are in AP, reciprocate. The reciprocal will be HP. Actually, HP is not included for you. Harmonic progression is not for you. You have in the syllabus AP, GP. Just for this problem, I have to explain. 1 by 1, 3 quantities are AP. Reciprocate. After reciprocate, what you are getting, they are in HP. Reverse. If 3 quantities are HP, reciprocate, they are in AP. Reciprocals AP mean, reciprocals AP mean, then the given problem is HP. Look, 5, 8, 11, they are in AP. Reciprocate 1 by 5, reciprocate invert 1 by 8, 1 by 11, they are in HP. In HP, not GP, HP. 3 quantities on AP, reciprocate. Half, 1 and half, AP, they are in AP. Half, 1 and half, AP, common difference half. Reciprocate 2, 1, 2 by 3, they are in HP. Now you are right. 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. Reciprocate reciprocate. Results are in HP. Side for your understanding, you put note. If three quantities are in AP, if three quantities are in AP, if three quantities are in AP, then their reciprocal, THEIR, their reciprocal, their reciprocals are in HP, are in HP. Paragraph. If three quantities are in HP, if three quantities are in HP, then their reciprocals are, their reciprocal means inversion, their reciprocals are in AP. HP given means reciprocal AP. AP is given means reciprocal HP. Very safely the chapter arithmetic progression is getting over. Plenty of problems I taught, barring one or two problems difficult, rest of the problem easy. Let us hope. Always they will ask you easy problem. The middle term T3, very easy problem, 3 step, we got the answer. This is problem, concept used problem, concept I used it. Prior to that problem, toughest problem, it depends upon the luck. Luck element should favor you. If you are a very lucky candidate, in parents, if they say, oh, you are a lucky child for us, if a parents, your friends may say, oh, you are a very lucky. We are also very lucky to have a friendship with you. Likewise, if any of you says, if the luck element favors, easy problem they will ask. Anyhow, 100 question will be there, not that 100 question will be difficult. Let us assume 10 question will be difficult, 90, remaining 90 question will be easy. Not that all the 100 question will be the n plus 1, n minus 1 problem we did, not like that. AP, GP, easy chapter you have to concentrate, so that 4 mark, 5 mark you can get. Certain chapters concentration will fetch you 3 mark. 1 mark concentration is theory of indices if you are very good at 1 mark. Ratio proportion if you are good at 1 mark, sometimes no question on theory of indices, sometimes. If they ask you 2 questions, you are very lucky. Whereas logarithm they are used to ask you 3 questions. Mathematics of finance, AP, GP, compound interest, symbol interest, annuity problem, 12 mark. Type 2. It is not a separate chapter. AP and GP put together one chapter. So, type 2 you put. The second leg in progression we are going to have under the heading geometric progression. Comparing AP, comparing GP. GP 1 mark question, plenty of question not available. Geometric progression, brain taxing problem, brain teasing problem we have in geometric progression I have done. But all those problems will be 8 mark, 10 mark problem. 1 mark problem in GP very less. Therefore, we are not going to discuss plenty of problem. We discussed 60, 68 problems while at AP done whereas GP we are not going to have such a number of problems, hardly we are going to have 50%, 35, 40 problem. Why? Because geometric progression simplification difficult. Theory of indices knowledge is required, certain problem theory of indices knowledge I will use it. Therefore, they have to ask only limited problem alone they can ask. Therefore, GP sometimes GP 1 problem, AP 3 problem they ask to CPT. Totally 4 mark, 5 mark, 25 mark AP GP they asked 3 or 4 questions they asked to CPT level. For your level 5 mark you can expect, AP, GP put together 5 mark, 4 mark guaranteed. First as usual, first you have like AP, first I will give definition, I will give term formula, I will give summation formula, I will give important points, then discussion problem. In this manner I am going to present. First definition, you put a definition, you put in a series, you put in a series is nothing but progression, another name. In a series, comma, if each successive term in a series if each successive term is multiplied by a fixed quantity, then the series is GP. In a series, if each successive term is multiplied, AP cases increased, decreased, here multiplied and divided, division can always we can speak multiplication. I do not want to use the word division. Each successive term is multiplied by fixed quantity, then the series is a geometric progression. The fixed quantity is called common ratio. It is denoted by same point, right? The common ratio should not be, exemptions should not be 1, 0, minus 1. Should not be. These values are exempted. These 3 values are exempted. Exception, exemption. In case if they take, what sir we have to show? They are not GP, that is all you have to say. Not AP, need not be GP. I am not liking coffee, therefore I like tea. If you say you are wrong, the negation statement, what to say you are not sure. I do not like coffee, that is what I said, therefore I like tea. Where I said? You are taking the inference like this, means wrong inference. Not necessary. I may take milk, I may take Bonvita, likewise. Therefore, not liking tea does not mean like a coffee. Not GP, therefore AP I cannot say, I do not know. Better you say I do not know, that is the best word. Exempted value, they are exemptions. These three values are exempted. Exempted. Paragraph. Common ratio is given by common paragraph. Common ratio is given by T2 by T1, T3 by T2, T4 by T3, so on. Common ratio, whenever you want to calculate, second term by 2 quantity division means ratio. Ratio capital I said 2:3, 2 by 3, we can write fractional form. Therefore, they are using the word common ratio. T2 by T1 formula, fractional form ratio. Examples. Two are in GP, R is equal to 5. Second term by first term. Second term by first term definition. Second by first. The fifth example, if you look at, fifth is not GP. Duplicate. It resembles GP, but not a GP. How to verify GP? Second term by first term. 77 by 7, 11. 777 by 777, use calculator, you won't get 11. 77 by 7, 11. T2 by T1. T3 by T2, also same answer I had to get it. 777 by 777. 10 point something. Therefore, not GP. Whenever I ask you to test GP means T2 by T1 answer you have to calculate. T3 minus T2 answer you have to calculate. Same answer if you get it, GP. If you do not get, not GP. Common ratio exempted. R should not be 1. If R is 1, not a GP. R is a minus 1, not a GP. 0, not a GP. Next, term formula. In a GP, illustration. Find 20th. It word whenever notice the Tn formula you have to assume. What AP I said, same thing. AP cases I said undetermined Tn formula. It mean Tn formula. Here also the same. It mean Tn formula. They are asking find 20th term in 1, 5, 25. A GP word not given. If you notice a GP word whether it is given me, no, you are right. The given series is GP. Second term 5 by 1, 5. 25 by 5, 5, same answer. The given series is GP because T2 by T1. They are same. First term 1, R is equal to 5, N is equal to rank 20th, it what you have to put, Tn asked. formula. One into anything, one has no effect. So 5 power 19. Power is up to 4, we can simplify. 5 power 19 means you should not waste your time. 5 power 19. Sometimes your calculator may not to show. That is the reason. Power 4, 5 means simplify. I will leave the answer. But you will not get any confusion. Why? Because examination option you have to look. You have to look if most of the cases option will be given base power form, mean leave it. In case if they give a numerical value, you have to simplify, no other go. Here I cannot give options. Next para heading, summation formulae. Summation formulae heading. The sum of n terms of an n terms interchange. One will come, r power n will go. Denominator also interchange. If modulus r less than 1, r value greater than 1, first formula, r value less than 1, don't say. Modulus r is less than 1, important mod r, not r. Modulus r is less than 1, second formula. Is equal to 1, no GP. R is equal to 1 means it is not at all a GP. So, the question of finding Sn doesn't arise. If it is a GP, we can find, not a GP. That is the reason they have not given r is equal to 1. What is the formula? They have not given. Greater than 1, one formula, less than 1, another formula. That is all. One more formula we have. The sum of infinite terms formula 2, formula 3, modulus are less than 1, we can find sum of infinitum. In sum of infinitum condition, modulus are, not just or, modulus are should be less than 1. So, S infinity is possible, you have to check common ratio is less than 1, modulus are less than 1. What is the meaning of modulus or less than 1, sir? Confusion. Very simple. Listen, illustrations without recording I will tell. R value 2, first formula. R value 4 by 3, R value 4 by 3 more than 1, first formula. R is equal to 1 by 3, second formula. R is equal to 2 by 3, second formula. R is equal to 9 by 10, second formula. R is equal to minus 2, confusion. R is equal to minus 2 means some students, sir, minus 2 is less than 1, sir. Second formula we have to use. Wrong. Argument correct. Arguments and reason what you have given is correct. R is equal to minus 2 means less than 1. Negative quantities are always less than 1. So, second formula means, second formula you look at modulus of should be less than 1 means if R is negative, ignore the minus sign temporarily, ignore the minus sign. 2 greater than 1, first formula you have to use. While choosing the formula, you have to substitute minus 2. You have to substitute minus 2. Deciding factor to decide which formula is correct, ignore the minus sign. Negative cases, big problem. Ignore the minus sign. If R is equal to minus 2, mod R I will ask you to calculate. R is equal to minus 2. I will say mod R you calculate. Mod R is equal to mod minus 2, answer 2. First formula you have to use. So, whenever R value is negative, ignore the minus sign, decide the, no, if you ignore the minus sign, no confusion of choosing formula. Ignore the minus sign, choose the formula. Once the formula is chosen, substitute original value R is equal to minus 2 is substitute. Only choosing cases alone minus sign is ignored. R is equal to minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, ignore the minus sign, 3 by 2 more than 1, first formula. R is equal to minus 0.8, R is equal to minus 0.8, R value, minus, ignore the minus sign given means you have to pronounce minus sign, ignore. We have to say ignore, that is the meaning of mod R. Sentence writing mod R, if I put conversation cases, you have to say ignore the minus sign is called mod R. Ignore the minus sign, minus 0.8, ignore the minus sign, 0.8 below 1, second formula. R is equal to minus 10, ignore the minus sign, more than 1, 10 more than 1, first formula. Infinitum cases same manner. So, infinite cases modulus of R, ignore the minus sign, R value should be below 1. If the conditions are satisfied, we can use the S infinity formula. You put a note, important note. If R value is negative, if R value is negative, comma, then ignore the minus sign, then ignore, ignore, ignore the minus sign. Decide which formula is to be used. Decide which formula is to be used. Full stop. After choosing the formula correctly, After choosing the formula correctly, then after choosing the formula correctly, comma, substitute R value with minus sign, substitute R value with minus sign. Only choice cases you are ignoring. Once you choosing the formula, you have to put minus sign. More illustration we can discuss in the next class.